Cooking is my thing. I love to slice and dice and chop, and I finally found the perfect chopping, carving, and serving board. The Chop Above cutting board is perfect for easy, fast, and mess-free food preparation. It's the only board with two positions, flat or raised on retractable legs, for a bowl or pan or container to fit under. Chop, mix, and clean up all at one time. It has a sturdy, super strong, non porous surface, and it's bacteria free and dishwasher safe. Cut meats, vegetables, cheeses, and herbs and slide them straight into your serving bowl. And it cleans easily, and it folds down to 1 inch for easy storage. I know you'll love it like I do. It's a chop above the rest.